Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Nokia 8000 4G, at the first you have to click right here to open menu, and then we have to scroll down to the settings. Click select to open. Right now we have to tap on the right arrow and we have to go for the personalization when we can find sound settings. As you can see, at the first we can adjust volume level of our media, ringtone and alarm by moving this switcher on the left or the right. Here for the ringtones and here for alarm. So we can set up volume level as you want. If you want to confirm, we have to click on the select and then just go back. Then below we can find tones, so we can activate or deactivate vibrations. Below we can change ringtone. I'm going to pick this one. Below we can also change notice alerts. Here we can manage tones. So we get the system ringtones. Here we can also find my ringtones, but I don't add here a ringtone from our music. So in my case this list is empty, and here we got also the notice alerts. And as you can see right now, we can go back, and here we can also find the other sounds where we can turn on or turn off the dial sounds or camera sound. And as you can see, that's all. After that you can just simply go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.